How did you go, Pietro, with your one-day Bloom's Penny workshop?
Oh, it was fantastic. It was really nice to get the hands-on with Jack. I've been doing the online course, and that's also very good, the Zoom sessions. But having you here and asking the questions and helping me was amazing. I really loved it. I'm definitely going to do more workshops.
Fantastic. Well, it's lovely. It's the first time we've seen the gum nuts done in class. You've done a superb job. We've really worked on getting nice tones and the different shades of the greens and softened ones in the background. We did a bit of editing too. Look, I think you've done a brilliant job, and I love that painting. Well done. Princess Gum Nuts, it's called. Well, the kind of gum nuts it is anyway.
Oh,
Princess Gum Nuts.
I remember. I'm going to plant a tree now.
Thank you so much for coming, and thanks for your comments. It helps other people to work out what works for them too. Thank you.
Thanks.